Hey fam, what's good? What's good? I hope this show well and keeping safe. Consistency gang is in the building, right? So every week I'm gonna try and find myself uploading something, right? As I have been doing for the past couple of months, right? We are trying to push this channel for 750 subscribers, guys. So don't forget to hit that like, hit that subscribe button if you find yourself, taking away something from these contents, right? So in today's content, I'm gonna find myself breaking down the trade I found myself taking over the course of London session, right? I will leave an actual links or an actual screenshot of the trade somewhere on the actual screen, right? And break that trade down for you guys because it was just too clean, right? At the end of the day, you know what? It's literally the same thing that is repeating on a day-to-day basis. All the actual trades I find myself showing you guys on this channel, the exact same thing. Okay, so looking at our actual highs, right? Now, before we're gonna tap into our actual highs, right? Let's discuss liquidity, right? What do you understand about liquidity? Now, liquidity, how you should be looking at it is basically a pool of money, right? To keep it simple, where are you going to find yourself having these actual liquidity areas at your swing highs or your swing lows, also being identified as, buy side and your sell side liquidity, right? So if I can basically show you guys, check this out. After we basically took out this actual swing high right over there, what did we do? We had a lovely shift to the downside, right? I don't care about these actual candles over here. I'm only looking at this one down close candle right over there, right? Look at once we found ourselves taking out some sell side liquidity over here, right? We took out sell side liquidity and look at that. Boom, we had a lovely push back towards the upside, right? So liquidity are basically resting above your buy side and below your sell side liquidity. Now, this trade was the exact same thing, right? Above price, we have buy side liquidity. So what are you going to wait for? You're simply going to wait for this pattern to find itself occurring, right? And you want to basically see that fair value gap right over there for you to basically go short, right? When it comes down to your sell side liquidity, you want to see the following happening, right? You want to see your swing low being taken out, and then have a displacement to the upside, take out your swing high over here, and wait for your fair value gap to open up over there, and then you're gonna find yourself going long, right? Quite simple, and keep it simple, right? Now, this swing high over here was our nearest highest high we found ourselves creating, right? Our all-time high over here with this actual swing high over there, right? Now, after price is basically taking out that swing high, this is where you're gonna find yourself waiting for your pattern to occur, right? Above price over there, there is the pattern. There you're gonna find yourself waiting for this pattern to find itself occurring. Okay, so I'm gonna scale down to my H1 time frame, and we're just gonna forward price just a little bit, right? And or maybe let me go on a 15-minute time frame, right? And we are basically gonna identify this pattern, right? So I'm gonna play price a little bit forward. Are you gonna find yourself looking for any shorts below this actual swing low? No, you're not, right? Well, swing high? No, you're not, right? Because what did I basically tell you guys? If you find yourself watching the previous content, right, this high over there is quite relatively equal to this high right over there, right? So you rather want to find yourself waiting for price to take out those highs before looking for any short opportunities, right? So boom, there we are now taking out that high. There we are creating a new record high, right? So now all you're gonna find yourself is being patient, right? And this is how you can basically find yourself monitoring price by simply doing the following. Box out those highs, right? Because that right there is what? A break of structure. We are continuing within our bullish momentum, right? If we would have to find ourselves breaking below this low over there, what will that be? That will be a change in character. That will be a market structure shift, right? So that will basically be the area you are going to find yourself monitoring price and see how you can find yourself, taking advantage of price. Okay, so you wait. So here you can now see that we had an actual further continuation move to the upside, right? We have created a new swing right over there, right? Perfectly fine, perfectly fine, perfectly fine. You're just gonna adjust your actual your area, right? This over here, this down close candle is an actual correction on the lower time frame, right? So you can consider this as being an actual break of structure as well, right? So you're just gonna be patient. Here you can already see that displacement is coming in. Are you gonna find yourself going short from here? No, you're not, right? You're gonna wait for the third candle to find itself opening up, and boom, there the third candle has found itself opening up. Now my question to you guys is, are you gonna find yourself going short from this area over here, from this actual fee value gap over here, if price would find itself, you know what, just correcting from this area onwards over there like that, bang, right? Are you gonna go short? No, D, you're not gonna go short, right? I hope that that was the actual answer. Okay, you're not gonna find yourself going short, and ask yourself that questions once again. Why not, D? Simply because look at this low over here as well, right? Look at this low over here. You first want to see your actual lows being taken out, right? You have some relatively equal lows, right? So that should already be an actual indication that price can find itself having that actual further continuation push back down, right? But let's say, for instance, that didn't happen, right? We didn't find ourselves taking out this actual low over here. Price can simply just find itself doing the following: having a further continuation move back towards the upside, simply because this right there is an actual order block as well, right? So you are gonna find yourself waiting for confirmation, right? And what will be the confirmation? That right there, right? A closure below your actual swing low. Because what is this now representing? This is representing that you have a change in structure, right? Your market structure shift from an actual bullish market to a bearish market. So what are you going to find yourself doing now? Now you are going to find yourself looking for your fair value gap, and you have found yourself identifying your fair value gap right over there, and this will basically be your position to where you're going to find yourself going short from, right? You can find yourself placing your stops right over here by the actual candle, which find itself creating the fair value gap, but just to be safe, you can place it right over there, right? Because ultimately you don't want to see these actual highs being violated over there. So all you're gonna find yourself doing is the following: you can grab that actual flip from that high to the low, just like that, and you can see that this actual fair value gap is lining up inside a premium area as well. So that is a double confluence, right? You can find yourself targeting this actual fair value gap right over there as well, which is also lining up within an actual discounted area if you're going to find yourself looking at price right over there. Okay, adjust your stops, adjust it, just like that, right? Just like that. Adjusted. There's also a fair value gap. Here's also an actual order block. So there is reasons for you to find yourself looking for some lovely shorts, right? This right there is almost a 1-to-3 ratio. That is perfect, right? You don't need more than that, you don't need less than that. Okay, so all you're gonna find yourself doing is literally just be patient. There you are triggered within your actual opportunity or inside your actual trade, right? And you are gonna find yourself just being patient, and that right there was a take profit hit for you. I hope you guys have a clear, crispy, clean understanding of what I basically just made mention. It's me, your boy D. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I'm out.